Yo, what's up YouTube? It's my new keyboard I just got. You know, it's pretty good. Cool RGB in here. It's a lot of modes. Just a heart. Boom. This one's like one of my favorites. This one's just like a little snake. You switch the RGB with FN and this one tab. You know. Boom. Just different, like intersecting waves. Boom. I don't know which one this one's called. And just breathing effect. Multiple colors. And this. Can I switch? Actually, no, this one's the one that you can switch. For sure. Oh, no, this is the breathing one. Then there's this one. Just like it looks like an arrow. Just like we're going this way. Just not in the middle. Fills it up. Oh, this one's like also one of my favorite ones. So it's just like a thermal right here. Yeah. You know. More RGB. This one's the one I was telling you about. This one's the breathing one, I'm pretty sure. Yup. And this one's just like wherever you click it goes by. Like boom, in the middle. If you click like escape, boom, it goes like that. Which one now? Oh, this one's just like the one that you could change the color. Just that. FN right here and this one right here. Just switch the things. You know, it has a lot of cool colors. You know. No. Sure, a different one. This one's just a little wave without intersecting. This one's just they meet in the middle. They change colors. Which one's this one? This one's like a little thing. They go around the whole keyboard and they meet in the middle. This one's the arrow one. And the heart one. Kind of okay. And that was just you can change the speed with these right here. You know, look, you can make it really quick, or you can make it really slow. Boom. And you could also change the brightness with these. This one, if you press this one, turns off the whole RGB. Boom, you can turn it back on. Press this one, it brightens it more. It's already at max, so this one's slower. Boom, turn it off with the lower, put it all the way up. And then that's pretty much it, you know. Wait, yeah, now let's give it a sound test. Ready? Boom. That is all of them. You know, sounds pretty awesome.